February has always been a celebration month for love. And that is why this month we want you to share your affection by giving our best products to your loved ones.
And of course, we have new products and great offers inside the catalog. But first, let's check out our amazing support programs.
Guys, we know that you are so geared up to grow and regrow in 2021 with the power of 3 out of 6 months. And the best way to do this is, of course, invite, and invite.
Exactly, FN. And in order to support you to invite new members to your communities, we will continue with our beautiful 35-year anniversary invitation campaign. We continue, of course, with our welcome program that includes some of our iconic Jordani Gold products.
And the first new element of the campaign that we want to share with you is this really amazing 50 BP driver.
New members joining in the month of February with 50 BP will be able to redeem these gorgeous strand sunglasses.
The second new element we want to share with you is this truly gorgeous sponsor driver. You can get your hands on this beautiful midnight handbag. All you need to do is 2EP1 from the 1st until the 21st of February. And if you do 6EP1, not only will you be able to get your hands on the beautiful midnight handbag, but also you will be able to choose between this premium Philips blender or Rupiah 500,000 in cash.
And the final element that we want to share with you is this unbelievably fantastic leader driver.
I am speechless. Wow, wow, wow. Can you believe it? What an amazing leader driver campaign.
So guys, when you invite, you will not only qualify for all of these fantastic drivers, but even more importantly, you will be well on your path for your grow and regrow objectives. All achieved through 3 out of 6!
So true, FJ, and I cannot wait to share with you as well our gorgeous launches for February. We have our new Amber Elixir Mystery Eau de Parfum, our new Sparkling Love Hand Cream, Jordani Gold Youth Radiance Elixir Primer, our Novage Intense Skin Recharge Overnight Mask, the One Color Unlimited Super Matte Lipstick, Love Nature products with organic oat and goji berries.
Check out as well our best-selling products from Tender Care, Swedish Spa, Feed Up, and Feel Good.
Also, we have Modern Freshness, set as a perfect gift for your partner, and Love Potion set for your bestie.
Remember, to take care of others starts with self-care. That is why we want you to take care of yourself and be more confident with our special offers from the ranges of Activel, North for Men, Essentials Fairness, and the One Eye Makeup products.
Awesome, FJ. Guys, don't forget to check in our Instagram, our Facebook, our website, our Oriflame app, our February catalog, and don't miss out on all the amazing offers. Stay safe, and until next time, Sampai Jumpa!